Imagine holding a smartphone that's not just about performance but redefines how we capture the world. The Oppo Reno 13 is here, promising to make your photos pop, your videos cinematic, and your everyday usage seamless. Let's see if it's worth its 35,999 Indian rupees price tag. In today's video, we'll break down everything you need to know, from its sleek design and powerful camera system to its performance and battery life. Whether you're considering this as your next upgrade or just curious about the latest tech, we've got you covered. Let's start with the design. The Oppo Reno 13 feels like it was built for those who value elegance and durability. At just 7.2mm thin and weighing only 181 grams, it's incredibly sleek and comfortable to hold. The aluminum alloy frame combined with Gorilla Glass 7i on both the front and back not only looks premium but offers excellent durability. What really impressed me is the IP68/IP69 certification. Whether you accidentally spill your coffee or drop it in water, this phone can survive up to 1.5 meters underwater for 30 minutes. That's some serious peace of mind. And before we move on to the display, let me know in the comments, how important is water resistance for you in a smartphone? Moving on to the display, this is where Oppo Reno 13 shines. It features a 6.59-inch AMOLED panel with 1 billion colors and a super smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're scrolling, gaming, or watching Netflix, this display feels incredibly responsive. With a resolution of 1256 by 2760 pixels, everything looks sharp and vibrant. The 1200 nits peak brightness means you won't struggle to see the screen even in bright sunlight. What's your favorite way to use a great display like this? Watching movies, gaming, or something else? Share your thoughts below. Let's talk performance, because what's a great display without the power to back it up? The Oppo Reno 13 comes with the MediaTek Dimensity 8350 chipset, paired with Android 15 and ColorOS 15. This